People say, what do you practically get? Will my cancer get cured? By chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So the answer would be not cancer. 100 times more worse disease than cancer will go. Why are you sticking to only one? Why do we suffer? Because of past karmas. Past karma means papa karma. Just like if I take some money from you, I have to give you back. Debt is there. To clear that debt, I need money. If I give, then he will leave me alone. So many punyas are there. Punya karma, you do this, you do that, go seva, all those things they do, so that they counter the papa bija that is going to sprout. In life you do not know, any moment the papa bijas will sprout, bringing dukkha. When you chant Hare Krishna and please the Lord, is there any greater punya than that? No, not that we chant for punya. That is one of the offenses. To think it is a auspicious, pious activity. It's a transcendental activity. If you want to please the Lord, moment transcendence comes. And then byproduct is punya. Many, many devotees you have seen who are, when they come to Krishna consciousness, so distressed, their family condition or their personal situation, but continuously chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra every day, completely life changes. All material fortunes also change. It's a fact.